Good morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So today we will start our 6th chapter. Okay, so in our last classes we have finished all the 5 chapters, even the explanation along with the exercises. Hope you all have completed the exercise along with the class work and you even did the homework also. Fine kids? So today we will start our new chapter, that is Oliver Asks for More. So who was Oliver and what did he ask? Okay, it's a suspense and while reading the lesson we will get to know about it. So Oliver was an orphan. He did not know the name of his father. His mother had died soon after his birth and perhaps this is why he was sent to an orphanage. So who was Oliver? Oliver was an orphan. So who is an orphan? ऑर्फन किसे बोलते हैं? जिसके पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं, जो यतीम होते हैं, दोज किड्स आर कॉल्ड एज ऑर्फन. जिसके मम्मी डैडी दोनों भी नहीं होते, दे बोथ हैव डाइड, जिनकी डेथ हो गई है, दोज किड्स आर कॉल्ड एज ऑर्फन्स. सो ही डिड नॉट, ओलिवर डिड नॉट नो द नेम ऑफ हिज फादर. हिज मदर हैड डाइड सून आफ्टर हिज बर्थ. ओलिवर को उनके फादर का नेम भी नहीं पता था एंड उनके मम्मा की भी डेथ आफ्टर हिज बर्थ हो गई थी. सो दिस इज़ वाई ही वॉज सेंट टू एन ऑर्फनेज. Okay, so Oliver was sent to an orphanage. So what is an orphanage? Orphanage कौन सी place है? It's a place with children who are not having their biological parents, जिसके अपने parents नहीं होते हैं, वो kids को ऐसी place पे रखा जाता है where they are being taken care of by the government. Okay? वो एक ऐसा institution होता है जो ऐसे kids के जिसके parents नहीं होते, वो kids को government take care होती है. So those places or institutions are called as orphanage. Okay. So there were 29 other orphans under the supervision of a lady, Miss Mann. This orphanage received 7.5 pence a week for each child from the government. Mrs. Mann was very clever enough to use the major part of the money for her personal use. The children were given very little food to live on. Their meal consisted of 3 bowls of watery soup a day, and onion twice a week, and half a cake on Sundays. So in the orphanage, along with Oliver, there were other 29 children, okay? और 29 kids थे वहाँ पे orphanage में, under the supervision means under the management. किसके in charge में थे? A lady called Mrs. Mann. So every child there, orphanage के every child को per month 7.5 pence इतने रुपीज़ गवर्नमेंट से मिलते थे उन लोगों को. दे यूज टू गेट दैट अमाउंट. सो मिसेज मन, द इंचार्ज ओवर दे, शी वॉज वेरी क्लेवर. व्हाट शी यूज टू डू? शी यूज टू टेक द ऑल द अमाउंट ऑफ द किड्स फॉर हर पर्सनल यूज. जो भी अमाउंट गवर्नमेंट से किड्स को आती थी, शी यूज टू मेक इट फॉर हर पर्सनल यूज. एंड दे वे, व्हाट वॉज द मील द किड्स यूज टू गेट? किड्स को क्या खाना मिलता था? Meals consisted of 3 bowls of watery soup. उन लोगों को क्या मिलता था? डेली 3 times watery soup मिलता था. Soup we all know. And an onion twice a week. Onion कब मिलता था उनको? Half onion twice a week. एक onion उन लोगों को कितना मिलता था? वीक में 2 times से मिलता था. And half a cake on Sundays. Half a piece of cake on Sunday. Every Sunday उन लोगों को half cake मिलता था. Okay kids. One day all the children gathered at one place and a meeting was held. Who would walk up to the head cook and ask for more food? Said one of the children. Finally they decided that Oliver would go to the master. So as the kids were getting, कितना मिल रहा था daily उन लोग को? Daily they used to get only soup, that too watery, बिल्कुल पतला सा soup they used to get. Morning breakfast में soup, lunch में soup, and in the evening also for the dinner they used to get soup. So it was not sufficient for the kids. So what they did, they went up to the master and asked for the food. So who will go up to the master and ask? It was they all decided, they held a meeting and decided that Oliver will go up to the master and ask for the food. And then arrived the great meaning when Oliver was to perform his role. The children took their places. The master won his cook's dress with his 2 assistants beside a huge pot. The soup was served out. However, in no time it was finished. The children looked at each other and made signal to Oliver. So finally the day came when Oliver was to go and ask for the more soup. So We'll finish with this. In the next class, we'll check if the Oliver asks for the soup or not. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and don't trouble your parents.